For 40 years, this machine slept beneath the ocean, forgotten by time, hidden from the world.
Command, the fuselage readings are critical.
The scanner shows significant stress near the access panel.
Agreed. Hold position until we verify the data.
Zulu 1, doors are cycling. Prep for final approach.
Copy. Moving to escort position, Baker.
The displacement readings are stabilizing.
Confirmed. The laser array shows the hull plating is within tolerance now.
Every panel, every system, every component is carefully analyzed.
This is not just a repair, it is the revival of history.
Some machines are more than metal. They are history.